Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find the rear window defroster and the EBL fuses and relays on that generation Jeep Cherokee from year 2014 to year 2023. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find the rear window defroster fuses, relays, the EBL fuses, relays. Also guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that guys, all that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos guys. Check out our YouTube channels, that's where guys you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So the rear window defroster fuses and the relays, the EBL fuses, relays, let's demonstrate on that generation Jeep Cherokee where you can find them. But quick advice, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money and trouble. Go ahead and open the hood facing the engine guys, okay? Now that's your engine, right? Okay, right here. Check this thing out, that's the engine. On the right side of it, that's the main engine fuse box. That's on the driver's side. Here you have two tabs. Press them together, lift that cover up. Underneath the cover you will find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find guys a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Here guys, for the rear window defroster, also known as EBL fuses, relays, let's talk now what we need to check. The first fuse that you need to check guys is known as fuse number 74. Do you see that 30 amp fuse? Okay, that's the one right here. And the relay that we will need to check is known as relay K10 guys. K10 is this relay right here. Okay, that's the relay, that's the fuse. Those are the main components that you will need to check on your Jeep Cherokee if you're trying to locate the rear window defroster, EBL fuses and relays. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem guys. Thank you for watching, see you next time.